A music book could be used to write lyrics or chords for songs that you like. So the next idea is a bullet journal, which is basically just a DIY planner. If you'd like to know more about how to set up your own bullet journal, I have a whole video about that and I will link it in the cards and in the description below. What I'm showing you right now is a flip through of my own bullet journal. Basically, this is just a book where you put down random stuff you like. So for example, I like writing down words in different languages that I find beautiful. The next book is a writing book, which is just a place for you to write whatever you come up with, be it stories, poems, songs, just anything really. If you're into hand lettering and cursive, you can use a book like this to practice, or if you're not, you can just use it to practice your normal handwriting. If you're in school, a study planner can be useful to track your homework, your studying plans, and just everything you need to do for school. A book like this can be useful to just keep your thoughts and ideas or plans for the future. This is basically just a big book of trackers and different spreads to help you improve your productivity, your well-being and health, and just basically just motivate you to be a better person. You can use a book like this to track your reading and plan what you'd like to read in the future, as well as review whatever books you've already read. If you're into drawing, you can use a book like this to practice illustrations or just do some random doodles. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content from me. I'll see you then. Bye guys!